Next, we're going to look at the tools, which are on the left. And the first thing to know is that these are all different menus. If you click on them once or twice, they will come up or retract. We're going to first look at printer settings, and you will see under this pop-up menu that there are a few different printers that are supported. Now, what this means is that when Potterware writes code for the types of models you'll create in here, it will put the proper header and footer information for your type of printer so that the printer knows where to start and stop. I personally have access to the Potterbot Standard and to a 3D Potterbot Scara, and I've never used the other settings, so I'm not really able to help too much with those. Once you've selected your printer, then the next two settings are printer speed and extrusion speed. These are the default settings. The printer speed controls how fast either the printer bed or the printer arm is going to move, and the extrusion speed affects the amount of pressure that is being put on the tube of clay for how fast or slow it will extrude. These two settings are also on my printer as I'm printing, so if for some reason I was unhappy with the code that came out of Potterware, I would still be able to adjust this, and it's not too critical. The skirt offset I'm going to explain a little bit later when we go to object settings. The Scara positions are important for Scara. If I go to the Scara, you're going to notice that this bed will change from a rectangular bed to a circular bed because the Scara sits in the middle, and it prints in 360 degrees. So it is essential when you're working with the Scara that you do put in the X and Y position, but because I'm not working with the Scara on this computer, I don't have them set up. So I'm going to go back to Potterbot Standard, and we'll go on to the next tool, which is going to be multi-print settings.